Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
गुरुजी शुक्राना गुरुजी. इट्स अ लॉन्ग पेंडिंग आई थिंक. गुरुजी के साथ जर्नी 2015 में मेरी सिस्टर कनेक्ट हुए थे और मुझे कनेक्ट होते होते मेरी इफ्स एंड बर्ड्स ख़त्म होते होते 2017 आ गए. 2015 में जब मेरी सिस्टर कनेक्ट हुए एट दैट टाइम मेरा भांजा वाज 8.5 एंड इन 2016 ही स्टार्टेड कि मुझे मतलब मेरा सिबलिंग चाहिए, ब्रदर या सिस्टर चाहिए. वेरएज़ उन लोगों ने डिसाइड कर लिया था ठीक है, उसके बाद नहीं. और मेरी सिस्टर को उससे पहले बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टी सिस्ट 1 ओवरी रिमूव हो चुके थे, तो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था. बट माय भांजा वो भी गुरुजी के यहाँ जाता था. उसने किया कि नहीं, मैंने गुरुजी से मांग लिया और वो मुझे नेक्स्ट बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट करेंगे. And with Guruji blessing, she conceived. 2017 we lost our brother in a road accident. तो वो पूरा shattered time था. But then in June Guruji blessed my niece and उसमें she was premature. मतलब इस सब के चलते चलते स्ट्रेस में प्रीमेच्योर और सबने बोल दिया था नहीं, मतलब माइट बी. शी वॉज जस्ट 1.2 kg baby. 1 month she was in nursery care and another 6 months she just fed with, we used to feed her with just cotton. मतलब cotton से milk पिलाना. she don't. बट माई सिस्टर फेथ वॉज नहीं, गुरुजी की बेटी है. नाउ टचवुड शी इज़ 6 years, सो शी इज़ फाइन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो 2017 बिकॉज गुड़गांव में वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था तो आई वॉज डूइंग जॉब इन गुड़गांव. तो पेरेंट्स सेड नहीं नोएडा वापस आ जाओ. वी वर स्टेइंग इन कड़कड़ुमा, वी आर स्टेइंग इन कड़कड़ुमा. सो लाइक पेरेंट्स सेड नोएडा वापस आ जाओ. तो हम लाइक ओके. तो माई सिस्टर सेड चल गुरुजी के यहाँ चलते हैं, देन विल से. गुरुजी के यहाँ पे गए और नेक्स्ट डे मेरे पास कॉल आ गई मेरे पुराने मैनेजर की, वी आर बिल्डिंग द कंसल्टिंग टीम, जॉइन अस. तो मैं नोएडा वापस आ गई और गुरुजी की कृपा से 2018 में फ़र्स्ट टाइम मैं डैलस आई. नॉट फर्स्ट टाइम, 2014 में फ़र्स्ट टाइम यूएस आई थी. 2018 में फॉर वन ऑफ द कंसल्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट आई केम टू डैलस. मुझे यूएस नहीं पसंद आया कि सब अलग अलग रहते हैं एंड ऑल दैट. मैंने कहा नहीं, ये तो नहीं है. Then Guruji gave me the opportunity that I've been to different countries. In COVID, I've came back to India. I was with my family with Guruji grace, thanks to Guruji. In COVID, I did, I took one risk and everybody took. And I had a huge loss. And I was like asking Guruji that I was in a Bade Mandir parking when I took this decision. How can this decision be wrong? But that was huge loss, shattered me up to the fact that I was about to give up my life. But then, again that come and with Guruji's grace, I've able to done 40 days, to Chalia to Bade Mandir. And after that, I've started getting direction. So I've been to UK, Europe for as in lead. And I don't know what comes to my mind. I said to my manager, let's apply for H1. And in the first lottery itself, I got an H1. I said, okay, that's might be the calling. I've came here last year for, again, one of the due diligence on the business visa. But I don't know, but somehow I like this place. I said, okay, I can come here for, a different opportunity. And then the things work that I've came here. And initially, I was in Edison for initial stay, which company provided. And then I'm like, Edison, then I've been to Bade Mandir and I'm not there on social media, so I don't know how to connect with the people. So I've asked my one of the friend in UK that if you know anyone here, then please connect me in Guruji's temple. Then she connected to Aarti Aunty and then Aarti Aunty connected into the group. And then it was like, because initially I didn't have that credit score, so uptown, I didn't have the car and everything. And over here, without car, there's hardly a public transport. But Guruji sorted out. Then within Bridgewater, I got connected with Cheshta and Auntie Soma, Auntie Deepika and everyone. That's Guruji's taken care. And one day, you won't believe. So that transition from the different, different period, I think he hold the hand and seamlessly that's transition from one year to another or to another. I'm not saying the ups and downs are not coming. Ups and downs are coming. The only thing is now I know that this too shall pass, and I have firm believed on that too. This too shall pass. Guruji hai 10% ही तो है, 90% तो he's taking care of. So from that way. So one day it's on Monday, November. I was like, because I was going through that. Okay, what can be the percentage and getting the car. I didn't have initially when you don't have the credit score. So why I'm mentioning, I don't know for whom it is. So it was like 10%, 11% and all that. November, December, there were some like, last year end things comes. And on November, there's one Monday, I just took Guruji Swaroop with me and said, Guruji, chalo कार लेके आते हैं, गुजारा नहीं हो रहा. I've been to, showroom. I had a discussion that you have put out that 0% APR, but obviously this is for these men credit. I said I have an executive visa, and I had a just normal discussion. They give me just a car on the 1.9%, which is like my colleagues are. We are here from like 10 years. We are still paying 5% or 6%. And I said that's Guruji's kirpa, and I don't know how it's gonna. So everything seamless, and still the times comes, there are ups and downs, but with Guruji's grace now there's a firm belief, okay, Guruji हैं तो will be taken care. So शुक्राना गुरुजी, I think हर moment पे उन्होंने hold करके रखा हुआ है. And if I'll say ये सत्संग तो चलता जाएगा, हर एक day सत्संग है, हर एक country का एक सत्संग है. So शुक्राना गुरुजी. Thank you.
Thank you.